Greetings. Just woke up here. Saw many messages on the piece on coding and how the world of artificial intelligence is changing that particular field of human endeavor. Let me say here, there is nothing to panic because coding will remain a very great opportunity for young people to participate. But as that happens, I also want you to pay attention because artificial intelligence has a promise to change many industries. To explain what I mean, let me take you back to my secondary school days in November. And my teacher, Mr. Aham, came from the senior secondary mathematics, and he was trying to introduce us to the whole beautiful science of numbers mathematics. He explained that before the end of the 18th century, that the material component of the universe was studied at one aspect of culture called natural philosophy. But as time went on, nature was broken into two broad categories called the physical and biological science. And in the university in Futo, Owerri, and the teacher now tried to extrapolate the context of that natural philosophy. And that was where he brought in the great debates of the Greek philosophers, where Pythagoras noted that the world is nothing but numbers. The world is nothing but numbers. That means that everything we do on earth is nothing but making sense and processing numbers. The more you understand the numbers around anything you do, the better you are. And that means the business of humanity has actually centered on making sense of numbers. That means we invented the abacus, the slide rule, the difference engine, the ENIAC, and all the computational systems over decades and centuries. So what is going on here is that artificial intelligence is only extending that construct of making sense of numbers. Most human problems are defined in numbers. And if you can understand the numbers around those problems, you have the capacity to solve them. Artificial intelligence provides a new vista, a new opportunity for us to actually make sense of our world. And I'm saying that it has a great promise to change many fundamental things the way we understand. And coding itself will also be affected. But that does not mean that coding has no promise. But I'm saying in the very near deep future, coding will be a blue-collar job, a tool. Why what will rule the world will be the beautiful science of numbers and the foundation, the pillar of the constructs of natural philosophy. I give that back to my secondary school teacher, Mr. Ham, how he explained that mathematics is the bedrock of natural philosophy. So algorithms, building models will rule. Translating those models into codes, hey, will be a job, but that will be the blue collar job.